Friends, welcome to topperseducation.com. Today I am going to discuss NCERT Class 8 Chapter 2, that is linear equations in one variable. Today in this video I am going to discuss introduction to the linear equations in one variable. In the previous classes we have learned several algebraic expressions and equations. Now let us see some examples of expressions and equations. Some of the examples for expressions, that is algebraic expressions, are 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2xy plus 5 and so on. Now let us see some examples of equations. That is 5x equals to 25, 2x minus 3 equal to 9, 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2 and so on. In these given examples, many expressions have more than one variable. That is expressions. In these expressions, many having only one variable, that is x or y or something. In these given examples, many expressions have more than one variable. For example, in the equation 2xy plus 5, it has two variables, that is x and y. In the equations, when we form the equations, in order to form an equations, we restrict to expressions with only one variable. The expressions that we are using to form the equations is linear. That is, linear is nothing but that is the highest power of variable appearing in the expression is 1. Now let us see some examples. Linear expressions examples: 2x, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7, 12 minus 5z, etc. And now we are seeing some examples which are not linear expressions, that is x square plus 1, y plus y square, 1 plus z square plus z cube. These are not linear expressions because highest power of the variable is greater than 1. In order to call the expression as linear expression, then the highest power should be 1. If it is greater than 1, then it is not a linear expression. In this chapter, we will deal the equations with linear expressions in only one variable. And such equations are nothing but linear equations in one variable. Let us see here some examples, that is algebraic equation. Algebraic equation is nothing but having the equality sign. It is an equality involving variable. That is, let us take an example: 2x minus 3 equals to 7. It is an algebraic equation, and this expression having left of the equality sign. The expression that is having left side of the equality sign is nothing but LHS, that is left hand side. Similarly, the expression that is having right of the equality sign is called as right hand side, RHS. Now let us see here 2x minus 3 equal to 7. It is an algebraic equation. In this, here the x is the variable and here this is the equality sign. 2x minus 3 equal to 7 is the algebraic equation, and in this 2x minus 3 equal to LHS. 7 is equals to RHS. In this equation, both LHS and RHS expressions are equal. This will happen only for some certain value. Those values are the solutions of the equation. Here let us see one equation, that is as here 2x minus 3 equal to 7. In this equation, x equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. Let us see how. 2x minus 3 equal to 7 for x equal to 5. LHS equals to 2 into, in x we have to keep 5. 2 into 5 minus 3 equal to 7, that is equals to RHS. And it is proved. On the other hand, if we take the x value as 10, it is not a solution, because for x equals to 10, 2 into 10 minus 3, that is 20 minus 3 equal to 17. That is not equal to RHS and it is not satisfied. Now let us see how to find solution of an equation. Here we should assume that the two sides of the equation are balanced. We perform some mathematical expressions on both sides, that is LHS and RHS of the equation, and so that the balance is not disturbed, and in few steps gives the solution of the equation. This is about the introduction of linear equations in one variable. In the next video, we will see some of the examples of linear equations. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get the channel notifications.